In this video, I will show you how to post on Reddit. So let's jump straight into it. So here we are, as you can see currently on Reddit. So what I've done, I've created my account, and this is going to be mainly aimed at people that have just created an account and wondering how to post on Reddit, how it basically works. So as you may or may not know, Reddit is comprised of a number of subreddits and different communities. Now to go ahead and post on Reddit, what you're going to want to do is you want to find first of all the community that you want to post in. So you can do that by coming up to the search box at the top. You can type like an interest if you want to join a specific community. There's a couple I've joined, so for example Reddit Games. And then what you would do is come across to the subreddit that you want to post in. Now once you're here, you're going to see in the top right hand corner of the subreddit a button here to create post. So if you actually give this a click, and what it's going to do is take you to a screen like this. From here, what we can do is begin creating our post, and you've got a few different types of posts that you can create. So for example, you can see at the top we've got a basic text post, which is similar to like posting on Facebook or Instagram or something like that. You can also post like images and video if the subreddit allows you to. Also, there's an option for a link if you wanted to link to an external website, and there's also an option to create poll. Of course, these options do vary dependent on what subreddit you're in. So to create just a basic text post, what we would do is select text. As you can see, we've got the title at the top. So in here, we would ask our question. In my example, what I've done is just ask a question: what is your favorite RPG game of 2024? Of course, you want to make sure you make it relevant to this subreddit, and make sure you do read through the rules and the terms and things like that for posting on this particular subreddit. Now you can see there's also a body section down here. This is more to just elaborate on the initial question. So what I've done in my example, I've just gone into a bit more detail. So I've just put, hey everyone, I'm just wondering what you think was the best RPG game of 2024 on any platform. So it just gives a bit more context to your question. Now, once you've done this, all you want to do is come down and click the blue post button at the bottom. What it's going to do is post this onto Reddit. Now, there's a couple of things to bear in mind when you're posting on Reddit. Generally, on some of the bigger Reddits, so this games one, it's actually got 3.3 million active users for that subreddit. So to do this, you need something called karma. To begin with, when you create your account, you're going to have 1 karma. So in a lot smaller subreddits, you should be able to post no problem. However, with some of the bigger subreddits, it does enable you to have a better karma score. You generally need to have a certain amount of karma. Now, to actually obtain karma, what you can do is go through the different subreddits, and you can start responding to people's posts, answering their questions. When you actually post and answer people's questions, you're going to see next to your post that you're going to get these arrows, and this is an upvote and downvote button. And basically, for every upvote you get 1 karma. So if 3 people upvoted your post by clicking on the up arrow, then of course you're going to get 3 karma, and so on and so forth. And that's how you can actually obtain karma in order to post on the bigger subreddits. On most subreddits, it does get reviewed by moderators as well. So of course, if it doesn't meet the guidelines for that subreddit, then they're going to take down your post. It's not going to be posted. So that is a quick overview and basic guide on how to post on Reddit. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.